So guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a exercise book cover in Pixellab. So guys, let's watch it to the end. You will enjoy it. So first, go to your image size and choose your image size for a exercise book 210 and 297. That's all right. The next thing we are going to do, just go to your background and change the color of the background to white. The next thing you are going to do, go to your import and import the person you want to and crop it well. So let's crop it well. Wow, that is nice and perfect. So let's zoom it. Wow, let's place it here. Is okay. So the next thing you're going to do, go to your shape and bring out your and change the color of your shape to purple. Wow, that's okay. So bend it a little, bend it a little. So we are bending it, zoom it close, zoom it. So after bending it, just zoom it closely and place it here. No, yes, that's great. So let's zoom it again. So let's bend it a little. Yes, I think it's okay like this. So let's move it to cover it well. Wow, that is fine. The next thing, go to your shapes again and change the second color to, just let's use this shape here. Wow, this is nice, and change the color to this gold color. So and place it over here. Let's place it over here. Make sure you zoom it. Yo, just place it. So let's reduce it small and place it over here. Wow, it's okay here. Now just go to your layers and take it back behind the guy, so that is okay. The next you are going to do, just go to your shapes. Wow, and change increase your radius and drag it down. That make it small. Wow, make the box small, look nice, and enlarge it small. Wow, I think it's okay like this. Let's just move it small and bring it down small. Yes, that is okay. So the next one I'm going to do, just reduce the radius, reduce it to like 8 is okay like this. So the next one I'm going to do, go to your text and type all your text. You want to type name or all the thing that used to be in exercise book, now, name, class, school, subject, all this kind of thing. Let's write it. So wow, I'm done writing. Let's change it to caps. Press OK and come and bring it down. Just go to your board and bold it. After bolding it, just go to your color and change it to black. Let's use black. This black. Wow, that is nice. So zoom it small. So let's increase this to large. You go to your align spacing. So just space it to have a space so that people can really see it as a exercise book. So the next thing, just direct it well. Direct it to that place. Go to your position and direct it well. So the next you're going to do, just go to your text again and type your dot. Okay. So just the dot is too small. Let's increase the dot. Dot. So you are going to put your dot over here. Wow, just change the color to black. Yes, so you copy yours. Let's move it. Yes, is okay like this. Copy. After copying it, bring the one you copy, make it up here. You see it's occupying too much. Let's delete one out of the dots. So click it, delete one and place it well here. Well, copy it again and come and bring it down here and also delete small. So delete it small. Yeah, that is nice. So let's place it here, copy it again and come and bring that one down in that subject. Yes, it is okay. Just delete it small and place it here. Wow, that is nice. The next thing you are going to do, go to your text, just go to your layers and join all the one in the bar white box, join it together. They should match together. So wow, it is okay like this. Just the next thing I'm going to do, just go to your test and type your exercise. So go to your test now and type your exercise book. Change everything to capital letter. So this is it. So go to your board and bold it. And the next thing, just go to your color and change it to white. That is nice. So I'm not using this font. Let's use this font, this one. Click on it. Yes, that is okay. So just go to your alignment and align it to be long small. Yes, that is nice. Just move it down here. So move it and enlarge it small. Yes, it is okay like this. Let's leave it like this. So it's okay. The next we are going to do, just go to your shapes. So change it to circle. We are using circle. Just reduce it down and go out to your color and choose this color. Good. And place it over here and go to your the next thing. After you do that, go to your imports and import your logo you want to put. Let's use Kenny graphics here. So we are going to use this. Yes, crop it well and put it on top. Make it small and put it on top. Make sure it's aligned very well. So after it's aligned, just match and lock it and make sure that one too is it's aligned together. Just go to your position and direct it to be at middle. So now I think everything is okay. So just match the two of them together. Wow. So that have been together, you can easily move two of them around and put it where you want to put it. Just reduce this small and put it here. So just put, yes, that is okay. The next thing, goes with your test and type your any name you want to put. For me, I'm a Kenny graphics. So let's just do Kenny graphics. So go to your color and change it to black. So and reduce and put it here. I think it's too tiny. Let's use bold. Yes. So it's visible small like this. So that is nice. Just go to your text again and type your. I'm using my number. It's a plus 2349134343098. So that is okay. That's my number. So go to your color and change it to black. So that is nice. Just reduce it. You don't need to bold this. I think people can see it like this. So that's it. Just reduce it small and then go to your position to let it be at the middle of the Kenny graphics here. Wow, that's a nice. So this is how to make a exercise book cover in Pixellab. I hope you all enjoy. Please just tell me the one I should do next. So just make comments. Thanks everyone.